TL20's #1 song of the week.
Go get some shampoo!
What?
Are you videotaping?
Yeah.
Go get some shampoo!
Where's the shampoo?
Upstairs, in my bathroom,
Okay.
in the shower.
You wanna hold this?
No.
You may take it with me?
Yeah, go show them a trip to get some shampoo. Go, go, go! In my bathroom!
The hallway one?
Yes.
Woo! Do you want conditioner too? Heather? Whatever. Heather
What doesn't kill you?
makes you stronger.
Okay, now go out in the garage, grab an umbrella. It has dogs and cats on it. It's like straight out there. You'll see.
I know where it's at.
Go grab that.
Okay.
Okay, now come out here with us.
Okay.
Videotape us washing your hair in the what am I saying? Okay.
I just don't want to get my iPod wet.
Videotaping right now.
Yeah.
That's cold. That's cold. It's fine.
Don't forget to take your bobby pins out.
I did.
Okay.
Get it all wet because I mean, you're gonna look pretty as heck if everything's wet and dry at the same time. Here, I'll do it. I know.
Cold.
Is it that cold?
Nah, for me anyways.
Oh, that feels so good. Oh my god, my.
Come on, how do you wash your hair?
See her? She sounds like she's about to cry.
Oh my
Get
god.
your hair wet now. Ooh, it's water.
I know, it feels so good.
Shampoo, not the water. Are you kidding me?
Yeah. Milo, I'm not putting this on Facebook because I can see through your shirt, like, really easy.
Yeah. Am I in the screen?
Yeah.
This is how you wash your hair.
Oh.
Out in, out.
Feels so good. Oh my god.
You're all sudsy.
Is my hair soaked? I feel like I'm gonna get
Yeah.
dry.
Yeah.
Well, I don't have to take a shower anymore.
Yeah.
I do still. I'm washing
Well, I need to wash my hair. We'll switch. I mean, I don't really want to get my shirt wet, but oh well. Or like really soaked like you guys, but oh well, I can deal with it.
It's probably coming from the gut. Little taller! My ear! What do I look like? I don't know. Let's watch Milo. Oh yeah!
That shampoo smells really good.
Oh, it smells awesome. I just
Ready?
It smells so
Can I make a
citrusy.
mohawk? Let's do different hairstyles.
I can do different hairstyles. Oh yeah, I can.
How does my hair look?
Sexy.
My stomach's pink.
That's because you can see through your shirt.
Oh, okay.
I hope no one like slips out here.
It's not even slippery.
I know. If we were on,
Yeah.
yeah,
Get closer.
that's awesome. Oh, yeah. That's some sexy hairstyles there.
Yeah.
Oh,
I need to watch this later, definitely.
yeah,
Forever.
I will.
How long is it?
So far, it's only 5 minutes.
Oh,
Really?
Yeah, that's with me running upstairs and everything.
Boom.
Important to watch the thing.
Oh yeah.
Acne free.
You guys are weird.
I feel like we should totally put this on Facebook, put hobos showering in the
Don't
rain.
forget about your tattoo on the back.
Oh, yeah.
I gotta zoom in on it.
Oh crap.
Zoom
Soap in the
in.
eye.
Oh
Soap
no!
in the eye.
Zoom in. So you stand still, ho.
Who, me?
Yes. Look at that sexy tattoo there.
Did I get it?
Yeah.
I did?
Well, it's still on there, but.
Oh, that was so cool.
It
Oh.
goes!
Okay, I'm good. At least I think so.
You still got like shampoo all over your face or hair.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you were gonna like rinse it out.
Okay, soap in the eye.
Sorry. I'll put it on YouTube.
Yes.
No! Why would you do that?
Because I always put videos on YouTube.
Look, my hair's already falling out.
Ew.
That's what...
Yes! It always soap in the eye again. The neck, this burns. 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 Can you hear the music? I don't know. Or maybe you're singing. I don't know.
No, I'm...
I think it's coming from over that way to me.
Oh!
feels so good.
Yeah, we'll just keep this for memories. Send it to my email. Can you do
Okay, I think so.
that? Well, bro, it's not that hard. Because then maybe we can edit her draw.
Yeah.
That's kind of gross.
Who, me?
You can see through your shirt and see the love.
Oh, okay. That's not a big deal. It's just email, right? It's not going to go anywhere else, right?
No?
Yeah, just my email. Oh!
I won't spit on you.
Gross!
Ew! You just stepped in the spit, Heather.
Ew, really?
Yeah.
Ew.
Ah,
Can you wash my foot?
here. You use it.
Okay. Hey, look! Part of a robin egg. Want to see it, guys? That hurt so bad!
It is nice.
Yes, it does. It stings.
Look at her butt. Now looks like she got jizz all over her back of her butt.
You hit me right there on my back. Here, look.
The robin egg.
You must have awfully sensitive skin.
Yeah.
You got jizz all over your pants.
Jizz.
In my pants.
We should add that song to this video.
Milo's got jizz all over her pants. She's rubbing it in.
Hug time.
You're so cold. Ugh. That was freaky. That was so gay. Oh my god.
Okay, now stop the video.